Hello everyone, welcome to the VFX Tech again. Hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to set up my Zhiyun Smooth Q3. Uh, so I bought this one, okay, but unfortunately this one is failing to turn on. You can see this light around here is kind of like turning on, turning off. It's kind of blinking all of the four lights, so which means this one is on standby mode. So every time I power it on, it goes to the standby mode. So I am thinking probably an update will fix it. So I am trying to get the software and flash it. To flash the software, I am using an Windows laptop and an USB-C cable which is connected to this dumbbell, and here you will see I am in the uh, g1tech.com website. I will show it to you. Let me configure my camera, set up my camera correctly. You will see. So it's called here, um, just give me a moment. Let me little bit. Okay, I have to move my camera a little bit up. Okay, so I guess that's it. So you can see the site is called zhiyontech.com. Okay, z1 zhiyun dash tech.com. So I am downloading the G1 Tech calibration update firmware for the Windows. Okay, you can see. Okay, so it is a zip package. So I have downloaded it now. Then I'll also download the firmware for the dumbbell. Let's see. Okay, here you go. So it is downloaded. Uh, it's downloading. Okay. So let me extract it. All right, it's extracting. Okay, extraction complete. JYCDC setup. Uh, okay, here you go. Installation done. Okay, so you also need to download the USB driver from this side. I also have downloaded the USB driver. So let me install. Uh, I just installed the USB driver now. So I'm waiting for the uh, uh, calibration tool to download. So when the calibration tool is downloaded, um, I will use the calibration tool to install the new firmware. Okay. Um, my internet speed is a little bit low, so I'm changing my um, internet access point. Probably it will get a little bit faster now. Let's see. Yes, it became faster now. Okay, so you can see download is completed. Fantastic. Now, what I will, my calibration tool is called PTZ calibration. So PTZ calibration is downloaded. Now I will try to install it after extraction. Let me extract it. Okay, here you go. It's an 81 MB file. I'm extracting it. Okay, done. Extraction complete. This check it out. Okay, so extraction is done, and then when you try to install it, Windows PC will say, okay, you are basically installing it from um, some unknown provider, so it will create issue. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to more info, click on the more info and run anyway. Okay, so you basically gave the permission to install it, although the developer is unknown. So you can see it's run, it's installed. Now I will try to open it. Yes, so it is open, and you can see the smooth Q3 is already detected here. Okay, so there is no firmware now. um, I can calibrate it. Let me check it out. Click on the calibrate. Okay, so when I click on the calibrate, you have to do it manually. I'll show you. Let me move my Bumble somewhere so that you guys can see it. uh, Unfortunately, okay, so all right, so it has gyroscope and accelerometer. Okay, so unfortunately, mm, I cannot configure this one really. This manual configuration is very hard, so probably what I should do, I should, let me move it a little bit closer. Then yes, so I guess that's it. We're supposed to keep it this way so that it can calibrate. I'm trying. If the manual calibration doesn't work, I will try to do the automatic calibration. Okay. Now you can see I can control it now a little bit. Okay. Okay. It's trying to do something, but I think the software still has the bug. It's kind of broken. It's not working. So I got it from one of the refurbished site. So probably the dumbbell has some issue. Okay, so you can see it's not working really well. I tried to use the controller, but it's not working. Anyway, so now what I will do, I will try to install the new firmware to check that does it work or not. I'm checking the settings. I don't think it has any kind of. I'm clicking some portion or some of the button to see just does it work or not. Anyway, I say default. Okay, so probably what I'll do, I'll go for the firmware. Let me download the firmware. Now from here, I will look for my dongle, the gimbal. So let's see, my one is Smooth Q3. So I found it. I click on the gimbal Smooth Q3. So I'm on here now. Here you can see there is an software Smooth Q3 firmware B 1.98. So I will download this one. Here we go. So it started downloading. I also will download the calibration upgradation tool, but I guess I already downloaded it, so I don't need it, but still I will download it anyway. And that's it. So let me extract the firmware download complete. So this is an update firmware that I am doing using a USB-C cable which is connected to my Windows laptop, and other part USB-C port is basically connected to the gimbal itself. Now I'm selecting the firmware from the download. Here I have selected the firmware. Okay, okay, so it's found it, and then I say install update. So it's, you can see the bar is becoming blue one by little by little. That means it's installing. It is 24% now, so it will install. Okay, so after the successful installation, probably it will work. I'm hopeful. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the issue that I'm trying to fix is basically it's not working. I charge it, but every time after the charge completion, the gimbal basically goes to the standby mode. If I press in any button, it's try to calibrate, try to reconfigure itself, but it fails halfway. So looks like the installation is completed. Okay, so upgrade is complete. Now what I will do, I will wait a bit just to check does it work or not, and after that I will probably try it out by pairing with the um, camera app from the GUI. It's called Zhiyun app. So I am checking is there any log I can see, it downloaded and installed everything. Okay, seems alright to me. There are some logs that it access the device and probably it's good. Now what I will do, I will just unplug it. Okay, so I did the unplug. So let me grab my mobile just to install the Kemi app. It's called, yeah, it's not updating anymore. I guess it's done. So it's not connecting, so that means it's basically flashing or whatever. Okay, I'm waiting. Wait, the lights is turn on. It's not, it's supposed to turn off, but it's not doing anything. Anyway, uh, now it's time to install. Okay, open my Kemi app. Open the Kemi app, and I found it. When I open the plus add button, so it's already connected. So that is nice. Okay, let me put my, this is an um, Google Pixel. Uh, let's see, does it work or not? Okay, and let's click on that one. Okay, it's not configuring. Anyway, it's still in standby. Alright, so let me see why it is still in standby. Hmm. Oh, okay, now it's working. You can see it's moved. Okay, fantastic. So, oh, you can see it's rotating correctly, everything is fine. Okay, so that is good, perfect. Uh, I guess that is pretty perfect. Then what we'll do, we will use, there is another one. Um, we'll do some test now as we run it. It is connected, so let's do it. So I'm using kind of the gimbal smooth q3 to track my face. Okay, so you can see it's tracking my face correctly. Perfect, right? So that's mean the update basically fixed this gimbal, updated it to be 1.98 smooth q3 gimbal. Okay, and I will play around. It's a Zhiyun calibration update tool. You can see, you can also see the site name again, Zhiyun-tag.com, and you go to the smooth q3 from the gimbal and download these tools. Okay, you need to download the specific tools or firmware for smooth q3 if it is used on a smooth q3, or if you use